Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a quick look at the DeWalt DCF887B Max XR Brushless Impact Driver. This is a bare tool only, so keep in mind you'll need to be part of the DeWalt 20-volt Max system. What immediately stands out is the compact design of the DCF887B. At just 5.3 inches front to back, this impact driver fits comfortably in tight spaces where bulkier tools can't reach. Despite its size, it packs a serious punch. The brushless motor is the heart of this impact driver, delivering exceptional efficiency and longer run time compared to brushed alternatives. One feature I particularly appreciate is the 3-speed settings for precise control depending on your task. From delicate cabinet hardware at the lowest setting to maximum torque for lag bolts at the highest. The one-handed loading 4-inch hex chuck makes bit changes quick and seamless. Just slide your bit in and you're ready to go. No fumbling around when you're on a ladder or in an awkward position. DeWalt really nailed the lighting on this model. The 3 LED lights arranged in a ring around the chuck eliminate shadows completely, and they stay on for 20 seconds after you release the trigger. This visibility has been invaluable when working in dark corners and cabinets. When it comes to performance, this impact driver delivers up to 1,825 inch-pounds of torque with a max speed of 3,250 revolutions per minute. I've driven 3-inch screws into hardwood without pre-drilling and it handled them effortlessly. If you're already invested in DeWalt's 20V Max system, the DCF887B is a standout performer that balances power, precision, and compact design. For DIYers and pros alike, this impact driver will quickly become one of the most reached-for tools in your collection. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and click the link in the description to check price and delivery options from Amazon.